Hi, I'm Ray Lyons with the Nathan Clark team. Welcome to 397 Gooseberry Road in South Kingstown, Snug Harbor. Let's go check it out. Come on in. On the first floor here, we've got 2 bedrooms with full ensuite bathrooms. Let's check them out. Both bedrooms have their own access to the sliding glass door and a deck outside. Very large hardwood floors and a beautiful ensuite bathroom for everybody to have their own separate facilities. Second bedroom again has its own bathroom right here in the room. Big walk-in closet and plenty of room, sleeping area, again with an access to the slider to go right out to the deck. Enjoy the beautiful views. We've got laundry and a little extra refrigerator area. Just makes it easier, being the bedrooms are on this floor. You've got your laundry right here and some extra storage for refrigerator and refreshments when you're outside in the yard. You can also enter the house through the 2-car garage, automatic garage opener, and plenty of extra space for storage. Right now, they've got a great area to play some ping pong. Here we are in the basement. This is a great finished room for kids, extra family members to just enjoy TV, or look at the video games. We've got some great games the kids love to play. So it's a really great media, fun area for extra family. Here we are in the main open floor concept room. We've got an incredible family room with huge windows and panoramic water views, right connected to a beautiful, gorgeous, full-size kitchen and island, and a great dining area. All here for family entertainment with a deck right outside to cook and grill and enjoy outside in the nice weather. Here we are on the second floor deck where there's a lot of outside entertainment. You've got a great big expansive seating area here for when there's plenty of guests enjoying the summer days at the beach. And then as you come along, you've got beautiful water views looking at the Port of Galilee. You can see Block Island, East Matunic State Beach, and even Matunic Oyster Bar. This end of the deck, we've got the grill and the table to be cooking those burgers and dogs during the summer. So right off the kitchen, when you come down the hallway here, we've got our primary bedroom. Again, one of the beautiful things about this house is the windows. Huge windows with sweeping views everywhere. So the primary suite here does offer a full walk-in closet, its own laundry, and a full ensuite bathroom. Coming from the kitchen dining area, we have our half bath at the end of the hallway here for guests, and then we're gonna head up the stairs to that 3rd floor view. Here we are on the 3rd floor with unbelievable and amazing views. This is the area that can be really kind of used for anything. Right now, we've got it used for extra sleeping area when an extended family comes, and you've got to check out this room. This bedroom has it all. So you've got a nice, quiet place to sleep, but not only that, you wake up and see just everything there is from the top of the hill here in Snug Harbor. The nice thing about the 3rd floor is you've also got your own private deck. So here again, you can sit and relax with your coffee in the morning or during the sunset, but enjoy your day out here and just enjoy the view of all the beaches and the ocean. The other great space here on the 3rd floor is this little nook area that can be used for kids area to play games, can have a desk here for an office, or even has a bar here for extra closet space. A great use of space up here. We really appreciate you checking out 397 Gooseberry Road here in Snug Harbor. Check out our website at nathanclarkteam.com. Please reach out if you'd like to come take a private tour. My name is Ray Lyons. My cell phone is 401-789-1831. We look forward to hearing from you.